My favorite part about working with Murren is without a doubt the people and the culture.
My name's TJ Scriva. I'm a superintendent here at CA Murren. I like seeing people work together. I like developing people. I like developing crews. I like seeing crews gel together, getting things done. That's a sign of success in my book.
My name is Armando Garcia, and I'm a superintendent here for CA Murren. We're going to start with this road. This will be number 1. We will go over to that road, which is about halfway up only, and then so on and so forth. My job doesn't just consist of sitting here in the office, go over drawings, have some phone calls. It also consists of me walking out in the field, having communication with the guys one-on-one, just so they know that they can come up to you with any kind of issue, not necessarily just the foreman, also the superintendent. My favorite part about my job is building things. You know, a lot of times on weekends, you know, we'll be driving by with the family. It's like a proud moment when you drive by a job and you get to tell your family you were part of that job. You were part of building something great, something that looks nice. I take a lot of pride in that. A lot of times as superintendents, we don't always have the answers for every question. So, like I said, input from the crew members. Sometimes, you know, you gotta come up as a group and make a decision on the fly and assess the situation and keep the job moving on the right direction.
My name's Shaquan Tellis. I am project manager level 3.
When we put that first layer of stone in, and that's the way we can quantify it in these areas. I know we're holding tickets, but whenever you submitting anything like this for compensation, you want to have as much backup as you can.
For my position, the first measurement of success is first getting through the project with little to no safety incidents. We want to look at production, but we also want to look at quality. And then you want to look at, you know, whether you're coming under budget and whether you captured any inefficiencies in the field, and that you meet significant KPIs or milestones set by either ourselves internally or the general contractor. Daily decisions for a project manager is delegating tasks to your project team. Every morning you want to set those guys up for success by being clear on your expectations for today, delegating tasks. Others is just progressing schedule, procuring materials, whether or not any roadblocks are ahead of us, and try to act on those roadblocks. There's a lot of documentation on the front end of a project, and there's a lot of documentation on the closeout phase of a project. Keeping projects on schedule and on budget is a tall task, but it requires a significant amount of communication, not only with the client, but internally.
My name is Jared Misgan, and I am the lead surveyor for CA Murren Sons. So my key role for Murren is to ensure that anybody and everybody that is going to be involved with using the GPS and robotic systems has the equipment that they need and it is calibrated and ready to go for them on site, and that they receive the required training to be able to complete scopes of work using the GPS and robotics on site to meet the company's standards that we have set in place. What keeps me coming back every day is that not every day is the same. Every day might be something similar, but I have to take the experience that I have and re-navigate how we're going to approach a scope of work or a difficult, complex task. And that's the beauty of it, is no day is the same. I get to meet new people, see new things, and take the skill sets that I started in construction with and just keep growing with it and teaching other people.
Corey, did you copy that about your trench box coming in? Well, as the superintendent, the ultimate responsibility is on me, not only for the safety of the crew, the quality of the work we're doing. For that job site, I am the face of the company for that job site. Start out with the toolbox talk in the morning with the safety topic. Then it moves on to the fundamentals. I think yesterday's fundamental was going the extra mile. Start asking all the foremen as to what the plan of the day is. We listen to the tasks and what they want to get done, what the possible safety hazards may be, and then what the ultimate goal is, how we're going to track it at lunchtime, and where we need to be by the end of the day.
If you want to take on this career, do it. If you want to work with CA Murren, do it. You will not look back.